to Always Alyssa. How is everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. And before we go on, I want to make sure you guys are subscribed because I'm so close to hitting a million. I'm so excited. So thank you so much if you all have already subscribed. And if you're subscribing right now, are you? Okay, good. Then thank you. Anyways, on with today's video. Today, I'm going to be giving you guys a haul of my art supplies. I have a lot of different brands that I'm going to show you which ones I like, which ones I don't like. And ones that I have a lot of right now that I really like is Magic Fly. No, this is not sponsored, but they did send me a pack of their brush pens, which I am very excited about. These ones are meant a little bit more for calligraphy type stuff, but I still managed to use them for all of my cruise ship boxes. And right now I'm using Magic Fly brush pens to make these cactuses. And something else that I do like from Magic Fly is their paints. I've been using them for my art projects recently. And here's two other brands of paint that I often use. Usually you'll see these ones at Walmart, and it's actually not expensive at all to buy these. Usually only 50 cents, maybe $1. And so yeah, you can get them pretty cheap at Walmart, and so it's not expensive to start painting at all. I actually use some of those kind of cheaper paints on this painting of mine, this one, and all of my painted rocks. And that one too, I almost forgot. Something you may or may not know is that in most of my art, I like to use color pencils. So let me show you the two brands I use for that. Most of the time, I'll use Prismacolor. I have them right here. As you can see, they look kind of used because I do use them a lot. This one has some really cool colors too. And I haven't used these yet, but I'm sure I'm going to soon, maybe even in this video, but these ones are from Magic Fly. Now I'm going to be showing you guys some of the sketchbooks that I use, and I usually stick to a certain brand, but recently I've gotten a couple different brands. So the one I used to always use was this one, and I still do use it sometimes. It's a good brand of Sketchbook, and I like this one too. This is the one that I've been using a lot recently. I don't know what brand it is, but this is probably one of my favorites so far. I like how both the front and back are hardback, because on some sketchbooks it isn't like that, and I like it how it's both. Mainly because it's a lot more durable. Because like whenever you have a sketchbook where only the back is hard and the front is just like a regular page, the front usually rips off after a while. For sketching, I'll usually use one of these pencils, or sometimes even this one. There's some erasers down there, and for blending, I always use those tools right there, the white ones. This is the brand that I use for my watercolors. I know it looks super messy, but that's because I use it all the time. And the color is really good. I absolutely love using this palette. They have it at Target, so if you ever see this at Target and you're into art like me, then definitely get this brand. This is what I use to gloss finish all of my art. This is a size canvas that I usually use. I don't know what brand it is, but I have a lot of these ones. This is what I usually use for tracing. Don't mind my bad nails. But anyway, this is what I usually use for erasing. Just a regular pink eraser. And in case you're curious, this is what I use to sharpen my Prismacolors. Something that I recently bought that I'm very excited to use is this sketchbook. A lot of people use it for when they're drawing with Prismacolors. I've seen pictures and it's really cool. People can do it in these sketchbooks. So I was going to do a little art project. I have my iPad for a reference picture, my Prismacolors, and these color pencils. And I'm going to try to draw something in this sketchbook. And I think it's going to look really cool because it has a different effect than white paper. So it has a hardback, just a page for the front. And this is what it looks like. I'm very excited to start drawing on this. I cannot wait. So I'm going to experiment with that right now. I have all my color pencils here, my reference photo, my page that I'm going to be drawing on, more color pencils, and oh my gosh, I am so excited. Okay, I hope it turns out good. So let's get started. Every like 5 minutes, I'll update you guys and take a little video of how it's going. I'm really excited, but also very nervous because I've never drawn on this type of paper before. So we'll see how it goes. So far I have this sketch, and now I'm going to erase it lightly and start coloring it in. I'm done with all the pink spots, and now I'm working on the purple. Here's how it's looking so far. I'm about halfway done. Okay, so it's been a long time. It's nighttime now, and I have finally finished. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, revealed! Here it is. I'm pretty satisfied how it turned out. It's not the best, but I mean, I like it. So make sure you guys comment and tell me what you think. And here's what I'm currently working on. Well, I hope you guys liked my video today, and make sure to leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye guys, have a great day.